Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's me, Gigi. As you can see, I'm prepping my nails. I'm just going to show you the thumb, and specifically the thumb, because you see I've got that little divot in there, and I'm not sure what happened. Both my thumbs got messed up somehow, and all the rest of my nail beds are fine, but the thumbs are having to grow out some little weirdness, and I think maybe it might have to do with medication or something with me being sick, because all the rest of my nail beds are fine. So after cleaning up all the dust, we're going to prep, prime, and then add tack. You know that's my 3-step formula for success. Now, because I've got that little divot, I decided to, well, and not just because of that, I'm going to add some Light Elegance hard gel. It is in Ideal Pink. Hey, Liam, you're being kind of noisy. Gigi's trying to do a voiceover. I have my grandson with me, so if you hear some noise in the background, that's what that is. But all the nails did get a very thin layer of hard gel. That way, when I soak these off, I still have some gel and I don't have to re-prep my nails. I didn't do that with the other hand, and I feel like I wish I had, but this is an experiment to see how well it works, and I will report back to you. So I'm just applying the nails. I'm going to show you two. Very simple. I know you've seen this process before. I'm turning the light on, pushing the nail in, sliding it under the lamp, and there we go. Hello. Hey, Liam. Shh. You want to say hello, everyone? Can you say hello, everyone? Hello. He says hello. I hope you heard that. Now, shh. Okay, so I am painting my nails, this very beautiful yellowy orange, burnt orange situation. I got a little mess there. I'm going to clean it up. Please forgive me if my skills are not on par with where they should be. You know, it's been a while since I've done my own nails, and I'm just getting back into the swing of it. After 2 coats, what I'm putting on here is a nice It's a blooming gel. Guys, blooming gel. Sorry, my grandson is distracting me. He's playing with a box right now, and I'm really hoping that that noise isn't translating. I'm using an earbud right now, so I might have to redo this voiceover. We'll see. We'll see. Now I'm just putting in some polish. We've got this pretty purple, and we've got a pretty green. I'm sorry I'm not right on track with where I should be on the what I'm doing. I don't want to say instructions, just this is what I'm doing, you know, because even if you come in to do a set like this, it should be your flavor, right? Not mine. This is just, anytime I try to recreate somebody's work, I always try to put my own spin on it a little bit, because that way there's options in the world, and my work is not an exact recreation. It's more of a inspiration, right? I'm inspired by people. So I'm just being random, you know, being kind of tie-dye with it, right? I feel like these are tie-dye nails, and they're leaning into springtime, and we are into springtime now. I wanted something bright on my nails, something really pretty, and I feel like this is where it's at. And I'm not curing in between because I want them to spread. I want that spread to be there, so it's really got that tie-dye effect. I know this one's a little hard to see because I move around a lot, and I apologize for that, but I tried to get every bit of what I was doing in there. And even though you didn't see all the nails be applied, you do get to see all of the art. And the art is so simple, guys, just so beautiful and easy. We're going to come in with, this is the Light Elegance top coat. This is also an experiment. This top coat is a hard gel, and these are soft gel tips. This could shatter. It really could. But I love the look of it so much, and I'm not enjoying wearing the Gelixir on my hand. I like it. Hey, honey. Hey, honey. Shh. Shh. I'm wearing Gelixir on my other hand. Shh. 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 Talking to my grandson over here. Shh. He's a-talking. He's a-talking. He's 2. He's a little over 2. 2 and 3 months. He's awesome. Guys, this is the finished set. So anyway, like I was saying, these are soft gel tips and I've got hard gel on top of them. So that could be a problem. It could shatter. I'll report back. I'm enjoying the soft gel tips, but not as much as sculpts. You know, I need to encapsulate things. So I don't think I'll wear them all the time, but if I'm in a hurry. I also don't like the gel that comes with it, and this is why. It oozes everywhere, and it's hard to get it to not bubble under there if you're got even the tiniest bit of a difference. You know, like my thumb was a nightmare because of that little divot, and I tried my best to even it out, but it is what it is. Guys, I hope you like the finished set. Let me know what you think about them in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching. Me and my grandson will see you next time. Mwah! Bye-bye.